Hello, guys. My name is Satinder Punia, and I'm your anchor, I'm your teacher, I'm your host, and also I'm your problem advisor. Okay, look, guys, as I told my each and every video that if you really want to be a good speaker, a really good English speaker, so you have to fluent, and fluency only will come if you just do practice and practice each and every day. Otherwise, no magic will happen. Look, guys, life is a magic, okay, but only that man can relate with this magic who know that how to create opportunity. Okay, just step out this assumption, this misconception that opportunity will open, and then you, no, you will create opportunity, you will create a magic. Okay, look, you are seeing that gold, 24 karat gold. Now you can easily see that it's 1 lakh 71,000 10 grams. But look, guys, one thing I'm telling you, the very, very secret I'm telling you, and no school and college will tell you, gold is inside you. Okay, gold is inside you. Gold is not that you are seeing that jewelers and all these Kalyan jewelers, Tanishq, a big brand, okay, 50 lakhs carat on a jewelry, okay. But remember one thing, that is just that matrix. Gold is inside you. Okay, remember always thing. So always find your inside gold. Diamond is not, look, that you are seeing in Surat, Gujarat, not in manufacture. Diamond is inside you. So recognize that diamond. Okay, your language, your behavior, your karma, that will create your destiny. Okay, destiny is, you know what is destiny? Destiny is zero. Destiny is zero. That is destiny. So what is this? Gold, diamond, money? It's about your language, your behavior, your intention. Okay, are you really, you are really seeing that human body? This human body is the magical thing. Most magical scripture this human body is. But just tell me one thing, that some people always live in a disease, always live in medicine, always live in poverty, always live poor, and some people always live in a gold, diamond. These all are precious things. Look, both are from same stage. Both are from same stage. But again I'm telling you, your language, your behavior, your intention, this is will create your destiny, and destiny is what is? Zero. This is the destiny. So today's my topic is all about that, how you're gonna define a good, a bad, a right or wrong. Okay, this is the most important thing, and everyone should is, because again I'm telling you, no school and college will teach you what is good, what is bad, what is right, what is wrong, what is holiness, what is sin. I'm telling you, look, good karma is, you are, good karma and bad karma, you can define only one thing, that first of all, you never want someone slave. This is the most important thing. You never want to become someone's slave. Okay, I mean the most important thing. Good karma and bad karma, good and bad, right or wrong. That you know what? Over 200 years, British rule in India. But remember what? Now England, America, I mean every kind of facility they have. Look at their structure, look at their infrastructure, look at their architect. I mean, what kind of luxury they have? They have a ultra luxury. But you know what? A big thing happened. A really big thing happened. And you know what? The thing is that they just slave to the world, and now they are living in pills, depression, anxiety. I mean, I'm saying that yes, they have all kind of facility, but remember that one thing, that you never want to be a slave. Look, guys, it's India is not a country; it's a thought. Okay, it's a thought. It's a thought that you are accept every free thinking. We are over 5,000 civilization. Even scientists prove that these all are mythological stories. You are heard that all Ramayana, Mahabharata, all were actually happened. Okay, and there is a time that whole earth is India. So India is not a country; it's a thought. Okay, we are over 5,000 civilization. Otherwise, all the civilization you are, and all the dharma and all the religion, all you are seeing that 2,000, 3,000. But these these what we call that, that Sanatana Dharma. I mean, this is the endless. I mean, no one knows that how actual date is. No one knows. So you can easily see that even NASA accept it. Even you know what? In a NASA, I mean, you won't believe, in NASA there is a big Nataraj and Shiva statue. In a NASA, in America, in USA, they have a statue of a Shiva, of a Nataraj. Even NASA, who always, and so you can easily see that how scientifically we correct are. If you just see that all that Aryabhatta and all these are mythological, I mean, seeing actually happen, then you will know, then you will realize how our ancient technology, I mean, you can't even realize, you can't even thought how our ancient technology was so ahead of this time. This Misr pyramid, you know what? The Misr pyramid, I mean, you know what? Every stone is over 5,000 kilo. Every stone. So tell me, who built that house? Who built that? I mean, 5,000 kg. No machine, no JCB, no. I mean, there is no equipment like this who can steal this kind of weight, 5,000 kilo, every stone weight. But yes, so again I'm telling you, it's very important that you can see difference in good karma and bad karma. Okay, because your language, your behavior, your intention will make your destiny. And you know what is destiny? Destiny is zero. And again, this gold, this diamond, this jewelry, this even sari, even the Adani's wife suit, Nita Ambani's suit, I mean, these all are wealthy family suit, ultra luxury suit, sandal. They are not outside. they all are inside you. They all are inside you. So, yes, now I really hope that you just understood. And look, guys, I'm providing you this channel, this information just because of my experience. Okay. So, yes, do your own work and please like, share, and subscribe my channel, and we will discuss more things. Thank you very much.